Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee and I will show you how to remove and replace the factory radio unit. This video will apply to Jeep Grand Cherokees made from 2005 all the way up to 2010. Okay, so when removing the factory radio, first thing you have to do, you have to pry out this complete plastic piece around the radio. Now the best tool for that would be something like this, a plastic trim remover. That way you won't do damage or scratches to the dashboard. If you don't have it, you can use a flat screwdriver, but in that case be very careful. So you want to get under here and gently start prying this out. And once you so you want to get under here and gently start prying this out. And then once you get your fingers underneath it, you can proceed with your hand as well. So just pull it over yourself. There is a bunch of plastic clips holding it in place. Okay, just like this. Okay, I will show you now. See? And now you have full access to the radio mounting screws. So the next thing you will do, you will remove 4 Phillips black screws, 2 on this side and 2 on the other side here. Once you have these screws out, you can pull the radio unit all the way out. And only one thing left to do is to disconnect a couple of electrical connectors and the radio antenna. To disconnect these ones, you'll have like a small tab here on the top. You just want to press it and pull out. And to disconnect the antenna, you just have to pull it straight out. And that's it. This is how you can remove the radio from Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now one tip, if you're replacing this factory radio with another factory radio from a different Jeep Grand Cherokee, make sure to get the radio code with that radio, because if you just plug in the radio to your car, it might ask you for the code and the radio will be locked. So that's something to keep in mind. If you're replacing the factory radio with aftermarket radio, which you're most likely doing, then you have to make sure to get the proper wiring harness for the Jeep Grand Cherokee and for your new radio. And you will also need to get a radio kit to fit the dashboard. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.